High-income skills, learning what can boost your earnings. Are you looking to boost your income? Do you want to learn skills that are in high demand and pay well? If so, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll discuss the top high-income skills that you can learn. We'll also talk about how to learn these skills and how to get started in a career that pays well. So whether you're looking to change careers or simply increase your earning potential, this video is a must-watch. Let's get started. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, the demand for high-income skills is higher than ever before. As technology continues to reshape industries and the job market, individuals must adapt and acquire skills that not only keep them relevant but also provide them with the potential to earn a substantial income. This video explores the concept of high-income skills, why they are essential, and a comprehensive list of skills that can significantly boost your earnings. The significance of high-income skills. Adapting to a dynamic work environment. The modern workforce is undergoing a seismic shift, with automation and artificial intelligence altering traditional job roles. This shift underscores the importance of high-income skills, which allow individuals to remain agile in a dynamic work environment. These skills provide a competitive advantage, making professionals more attractive to employers and clients alike. Increasing earning potential. High-income skills have a direct correlation to earning potential. Unlike low-skill jobs that are susceptible to automation, high-income skills are often complex and require a deep understanding of the subject matter. Professionals who possess these skills are in a position to demand higher compensation due to their expertise and ability to solve intricate problems. Entrepreneurial pursuits. In addition to traditional employment, high-income skills empower individuals to explore entrepreneurial ventures. Whether freelancing, consulting, or starting a business, these skills form the foundation for self-driven income-generating activities. Entrepreneurs who possess high-income skills can provide value to their customers, resulting in a more sustainable and profitable business. In-demand high-income skills. 1. Data science and analytics. Data has become the cornerstone of decision-making for businesses across industries. Professionals who can gather, analyze, and interpret data to derive actionable insights are in high demand. Data scientists, business analysts, and statisticians fall into this category. 2. Digital marketing. In the digital age, marketing has shifted from traditional platforms to online channels. Digital marketers adeptly navigate social media, search engine optimization, content creation, and email marketing to promote products and services effectively. 3. Software development. As technology advances, software developers remain indispensable. Developing applications, websites, and software solutions requires coding proficiency and problem-solving skills. Specializations like mobile app development and full-stack development are particularly lucrative. 4. Cybersecurity. With the increasing frequency of cyberattacks, cybersecurity experts play a crucial role in safeguarding sensitive information. Ethical hackers, security analysts, and information security managers develop strategies to protect digital assets from threats. 5. Financial management and investment. Professionals who understand the intricacies of financial markets, investments, and wealth management provide valuable guidance to individuals and businesses. Financial analysts, investment bankers, and certified financial planners fall into this category. 6. Medical and health specializations. The healthcare sector offers various high-income skill opportunities. Surgeons, anesthesiologists, radiologists, and specialized nurses command high salaries due to their extensive training and critical roles in patient care. 7. Legal professionals. Lawyers, especially those specializing in complex areas such as corporate law, intellectual property, and international law, possess high-income skills. Their expertise is sought after for navigating legal complexities and ensuring compliance. 8. Language translation. Fluency in multiple languages coupled with cultural understanding is a valuable skill in our globalized world. Language translators and interpreters facilitate communication between diverse communities and industries. 9. UX, UI design. User experience, UX, and user interface, UI. Designers create visually appealing and user-friendly digital interfaces. Their role is integral in crafting websites, applications, and software that provide seamless interactions for users. 10. Sales and negotiation. The ability to effectively sell products, services, or ideas is a timeless high-income skill. Sales professionals who excel in building relationships, understanding client needs, and negotiating favorable deals are instrumental to business success. Learning high-income skills. Formal education. Traditional education pathways, such as obtaining a degree in a relevant field, remain a viable option for acquiring high-income skills. Universities and colleges offer comprehensive programs that provide theoretical foundations and practical experience. Online courses and resources. The rise of online learning platforms has democratized education. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses on a wide array of high-income skills. These courses are often taught by industry experts and allow for flexible learning schedules. Workshops and seminars. Industry conferences, workshops, and seminars provide opportunities to learn from experienced professionals. These events offer a platform to network, exchange knowledge, and gain insights into the latest trends and best practices. On-the-job training. Some high-income skills are best acquired through hands-on experience. Many industries value on-the-job training, where individuals work alongside seasoned professionals to learn the intricacies of a skill. Mentorship. Finding a mentor who has successfully mastered a high-income skill can significantly accelerate the learning process. A mentor can provide guidance, feedback, and real-world insights that formal education might not cover. Nurturing high-income skills. Continuous learning. The world evolves rapidly, and high-income skills can become outdated if not nurtured. Continuous learning through reading, attending workshops, and staying up to date with industry trends is crucial for maintaining expertise. Practicing deliberately. Deliberate practice involves consistently challenging oneself with tasks that are just outside one's comfort zone. This approach hones skills and fosters continuous improvement. Building a portfolio. A strong portfolio showcasing your work is essential, especially in creative fields like design, writing, and software development. A portfolio provides tangible evidence of your skills and accomplishments. Seeking feedback. Constructive feedback is invaluable for growth, whether from peers, mentors, or clients. Feedback highlights areas for improvement and helps refine your high-income skills. In an era of rapid change and fierce competition, acquiring high-income skills is a strategic move to secure your financial future. These skills not only offer the potential for substantial earnings but also empower individuals to adapt, innovate, and excel in their chosen fields. Whether through formal education, online resources, or hands-on experience, the journey to acquiring and nurturing high-income skills is a rewarding endeavor that pays dividends throughout one's professional journey. So, take the leap, invest in your skills, and unlock a world of opportunities and success. For more videos, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.